Zetetic mind, I'm climbing past the edge of doubt. Ain't no curvature, I mapped it out. No need to scream and shout. The water's level always was, horizons never bend. I measure truth in quiet steps, no need to just pretend.
This is Zetetic flow, question everything you know. From the sky don't glow to the tides that never show. No satellites above, just balloons and ground tech below. I ride the waveform slow, where the real ones go.
They feed illusions with their globes and twisted laws of gravity, but I'm dissecting fallacies with natural clarity. NASA's lies unravel, tethered in a pool. Air bubbles harness actors, playing space school.
This is Zetetic flow, where discernment starts to grow. From the sun's warm glow to Polaris constant show. Fake launches on a string, CGI on full throw. I glide in truth's tempo, where the real ones go.
I tilt the lens, the stars like cymatics pulse and spin. Not distant balls but energy, just vibrating from within. No motion sense, the earth is firm beneath our feet. Try testing that with water, it'll never skip a beat.
Firmament above, with lights we know since birth. They circle in a dance that proves the stillness of the earth. The tides don't lie, nor do mountain range views. Just study long enough and you'll erase the global rules.
This is Zetetic flow, where real research starts to show. No rocket show or astro glow can hide what we now know.
No theory blind, just eyes aligned. No need for status quo, we build on truth alone. In the Zetetic flow.
Step aside, globe riders, here's the Zetetic way. We question what they teach us every single day. They say we're on a ball flying fast through the black, but I look outside, horizons flat, and that's a fact. They show us CGI and call it outer space, but fisheye lenses warp the truth all over the place. I don't need a rocket or $1 million suit, just reason, sense, and boots on the ground to find truth. They laugh and they mock, call it just a phase, but I see Polaris never move, steady blaze. Antarctica's a wall, not a frozen end. It's the border of our 𝒵𝓁𝓿 seafaring friend. Admiral Bard spoke, then the silence came quick. They covered up the lands, pulled the vanishing trick. I ain't buying theories sold by thieves in disguise. Just give me clear skies, and I'll expose the lies. This is Zetetic flow, where real research starts to show. No rocket show or astro blow can hide what we now know. No theory blind, just eyes aligned. No need for status quo, we build on truth below. We don't spin, we don't tilt, we don't fly through space, we stand firm. This is Zetetic flow.